Purchase your tracks today.
Ultrasound appointment day. I am officially 18 weeks pregnant. Zip my pants up. What do you think the baby is?
It's gonna be a boy.
It's gonna be a boy. What do you think the baby is?
A boy. That's a girl, but let's say boy.
No. I think it's both because I don't really.
Because you think what?
I don't really care.
You don't care?
Yeah. Just so be happy.
Okay. Good morning.
Guys, so if you didn't know, today's the sonogram appointment. I'm pretty mad because of this corona bullshit. I couldn't get in, but we're gonna actually try to like do it through FaceTime or like record it or something. That's what they told us, but I don't know. But I'm just pretty upset I couldn't get in. And on top of that, we just woke up, and I'm not a morning person. I'm always cranky. But today we actually find out the gender, and we actually get to see the baby, what she does. So I'm just sitting out here in front of the hospital, just macking, filming, cooler, waiting for her. And then yeah, I'm just excited to find out the gender, and you guys stay tuned for the video. I'm just chilling outside waiting for her. And yeah, let's get it. I don't know, we should get. Now we gotta get the ugly one up there. The sheep.
It's not ugly, it's cute.
The sheep.
I want it. I want that one.
We about to get the 3D sonogram.
So,
We're somewhere in the middle of Yonkers.
what position you think the baby's gonna be in?
One. Be like this.
How?
I just want you to check when you're ready. Just all the spelling and information is correct.
Okay.
Okay. All right, let me close the doors.
Oh my goodness, can't wait to see him. Can't wait.
So, I don't want to say the gender. I'm going to do my best. Which is right here. It looks, that's the legs. Oh, look at nice long legs and like a little booty pop.
Little muscle.
Look at that. Oh, just crisscross. It's facing,
The other way.
yeah, but I can,
It's facing like my
now I
back.
can see. Oh, instead of worrying about that while it's dropped, I should be getting these pictures.
You got like a pointy nose.
It's beautiful, different
Oh my
setting.
goodness.
Surface. You see-
Oh.
Oh my gosh, see, you see it?
Yeah,
With
it's
the
like
knee,
playing with
it's like grabbing the knee. Let me try to see, they get, they're like, oh god.
I can't get it.
Oh, that's cord, so it's grabbing that. Eyes open. It's just,
hungry, baby.
Easy lips now.
This is for the vlog right here. Bro, yo, Joshua, what you think it is, bro? I can't tell you because I know the answer. Alright, yo, please, what you think it is? Team boy. What you think it is, June? Boy. What you think it is, Judah?
It's a girl. I'm like 100% sure.
Why you say that?
It's a girl, guys.
It's a boy.
I'm having a freaking niece.
What you think it is, Leslie? It's for the vlog.
It's a girl.
What you think it is?
No preference. No preference.
You know it. What you think it is? Alright, wait, I'm going over here. Yo, Ozzy, what you think it is?
You see me,
Team boy.
you see the gang.
Team boy,
You know the gang girl. Team girl.
What you think it is?
I'm sorry.
Team girl.
You gotta be
Team
a
boy.
boy.
Yo, what you think it is?
I think he's a boy.
Yo, Ma, what you think it is? Team girl. Team girl?
He's a girl. I agree.
What do you think it is, Michelle?
Team both, whatever.
Team both eyes. Back.
Let's go. It's a boy.
Oh, we got it.
Y'all both got boy stickers on.
Hey, I need a hookah right now, bro.
No hookah right now.
It's a boy. Let's go. It's a boy.
It's a girl.
Countdown? You want a countdown?
10.
Oh, okay. She don't have anything to pop it yet. Wait. Wait, 5. Derek, you can't record.
2, 1. It's a boy, nigga. It's a boy.
3, 2, 1.
Abrázala.
I'm gonna be a
Kids raise queens.
From the baby.
I don't want to read it right now because I'm going to cry.
Read this part. Wait, the first one. The first one. Get a copy.
Read it out loud.
It says, happy birthday, Dad. I hope you enjoyed this book from me to you. I cannot wait to listen to you to read it to me. I love you.
Oh!
That one is yours.
Niggas gonna hate me cry crazy.
Boys can cry too, it's okay. I don't know what y'all think this is.
Let it out, big dog. What is it?
This is from me to Nathan.
Yeah.
It's a girl.
Yes!
Keep on trying. Keep on trying. So you get a point.
Read it out loud.
He's crying. Oh, he's so cute. He's crying. He's so cute. Crying. Don't cry.
Don't try.
Oh.
See, now you have your own book.
His book said, mira cuando yo llegue.
Bye.